Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to fix Microsoft Authenticator app is not showing code on Android. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sometimes, temporary snags with the Authenticator app can cause this problem. Therefore, it is suggested to relaunch this app once to get rid of it and make the code visible. When obsolete cache files accumulate in large quantities, it hinders the basic app functionality, such as app is not showing code. Thankfully, by clearing Authenticator app cache files, you can fix it. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Authenticator app. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. If the date and time on your Android phone don't match the actual time according to the location, Authenticator app may not show code. Go to the phone settings, then Additional Settings. Tap on the Date and Time option. Now, enable the Automatic Date and Time option, or you can also set the date and time manually according to your location. You will need notifications enabled for Authenticator to receive verification codes or interact with notifications to complete the sign-in. For this, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps. Find the Authenticator app and tap on it. Now, make sure notifications are on. It's possible that the Authenticator app you are using contains some bugs, due to which you're facing verification code problem. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Microsoft Authenticator app. Go to Google Play Store and type Microsoft Authenticator in search box. Click on Microsoft Authenticator and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. After installing, open the app, set up your account, and see if the problem is solved or not. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft Authenticator app is not showing code. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.